Hi, sweet boy. Can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi, Mommy. Say hey, Mom.
Can you make a video for Daddy? Say miss you, Daddy. Yeah.
Say I miss my pop. I miss my daddy.
Look, there's Zoe. Can you say hi, Zoe? Can you hold Zoe? Look at you holding onto the block. Look at that big boy. You're hitting Daddy in the face with it.
Hello, Zoe.
Can you talk to Zoe? Good. Yeah. Look at you holding her.
What a good job.
Is that a yummy fish?
Say, we're gonna eat Zoe.
So yummy.
Eat Zoe. I'm gonna eat Zoe.
So yummy. Uh-huh. It's Papa being silly.
Is that your block? Is that Zoe? Say yeah.
Can you say thank you, Papa and Grandma, for my Zoe block? Or you can dance?
Zoe?
Can you dance? He's got rhythm. Adam's got rhythm. Yeah. You can sing?
Sing for Mommy. Sing? Sing for Mom? Say.
You're just full of talking tonight.
Yeah. Say.
I'll dance for my Papa.
Say, I got plenty to say. I got plenty to say. Yeah, I got lots to say. What you got to say?
Say, I miss Everett.
Where's Everett?
I want to play with Everett when I get
Everett
home.
home? Everett's gonna be glad to see you too. Yeah.
I kept my word and married him. Then, too late, I discovered how he had made it. Well, how did I make it? By my own brains. Blatant by your own folly, your own ignorance, and your criminal instincts, and the luck that attends the half-witted. What you deserved was 5 years penal servitude. 5 years? 15 more after I was for you. What did I get by it? Living with you. Far worse than any
Triple bubbles.
7 for you if nature had equipped you for such companionship as mine. But what was it for me? No man.
Where's Adam? Peekaboo.
Any man who could turn my 150 pounds into 50,000 within 6 months. Able and brilliant and young sons of the noted families I refused or failed to test. Why? Because they were too honest or too proud. This thing succeeds. And I found myself tied for life to an insect. You may say what you like. You were just as much in love time and not Mr. Fry. If I give you my £150, will you invest it for me? It is not worth it. Into your weakness. You do not understand.
Yeah.
Thank you. I should lose my self-respect. I prefer the poor man's luxury of things.
Are you watching the TV?
Flowers.
Adam, what you looking at? What you looking at? Where's your toes? I got Adam's toes. We decided today that you have your daddy's toes. Can you grab my toes? Oh, Adam's toes. Mwah. Well, stick your toes up your nose. Hee 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 hee.
So cute little toes.
Ooh. Do you want your spit clog? Oh, can you grab it? Have you learned how to use your fingers? You're learning how to use your fingers. Fold the laundry. Can you fold the laundry? those feet. I see your toes. I see your toes. No whining. You're trying to go? Ooh. Is that funny? Mommy's silly. Mommy's silly. Yeah. Uh-huh. You're making yourself a fool for the baby. Yeah. Bop bop bop. Bop 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 bop. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. We'll see you when you get back, Daddy.